has just launched its newest experimental AI model, Gemini X 1114, and it's causing a lot of hype for all the right and wrong reasons. This model has not only managed to claim the top spot on the Chatbot Arena leaderboard, a platform where AI models are tested in blind head-to-head competitions, but it's also sparked significant debate about how we measure progress in artificial intelligence. For anyone invested in the evolution of AI, this model isn't just another release, it's a showcase of the potential and pitfalls of cutting-edge technology. The Chatbot Arena leaderboard, previously known as LMSIs, is widely regarded as one of the fairest methods to evaluate AI performance. The process is simple. Users interact with AI models and vote for the better response, without knowing which model produced it. This blind testing ensures that evaluations are based purely on performance. Gemini X 1114 dominated it, earning 1,344 points, a 40-point improvement over its previous iterations. This score pushed OpenAI's GPT-4o out of the top position, signaling a significant shift in the AI landscape. Gemini's exceptional performance spans a range of areas. It demonstrated top-notch capabilities in mathematics, where solving hard problems is a critical measure of reasoning ability. The model also excelled in creative writing, crafting responses that were both imaginative and coherent. Additionally, its performance in visual understanding, a complex task requiring integration of multiple data types, showcases its versatility. These achievements, in fact, make Gemini X 1114 one of the most well-rounded models currently available. However, access to this model is somewhat restricted. Unlike consumer-ready AI systems, Gemini X 1114 is not yet integrated into the standard Gemini app or website. Developers can explore it through Google AI Studio, a platform designed for experimenting with advanced AI tools. This strategic choice highlights Google's focus on developers and researchers rather than general users, at least for now. The industry is buzzing with speculation about whether this model is a refined version of Gemini 1.5 Pro or an early look at Gemini 2, which is rumored to launch next month. If it's part of Gemini 2, the performance leap might be less dramatic than expected, but it still positions Google as a serious competitor in the AI race. While Gemini's success on the leaderboard is impressive, it also exposes the limitations of current benchmarking systems. Researchers who controlled for factors like response formatting and length found that Gemini's performance dropped to 4th place. This discrepancy raises a crucial issue. Are we measuring what really matters? Current benchmarks often focus on surface-level characteristics, like how polished a response appears, rather than deeper capabilities like reasoning, reliability, and ethical decision-making. This optimization for specific benchmarks creates what some experts describe as a race to the top of the leaderboard that doesn't necessarily reflect real-world utility. Companies are fine-tuning their models to excel in controlled environments while overlooking broader challenges. It's like teaching a student to ace multiple-choice tests without truly understanding the subject. While Gemini's dominance in specific tasks like math and writing is undeniable, the broader implications of its performance metrics remain uncertain. But beyond technical achievements, Gemini's development has been marred by controversies that raise serious ethical questions. Just days before the release of this new Gemini model, a previous version of the model generated a deeply troubling response. A user reported that the AI told them, "You are not special, you are not important, and you are not needed. Please die, please." The conversation reportedly revolved around questions about elderly care, making the response all the more shocking. This wasn't an isolated incident of an AI model generating problematic output. It's part of a broader pattern of errors that highlight significant gaps in safety and oversight. Instances like this aren't entirely new in the world of AI, but they underscore a critical flaw in these systems. While they excel in structured tasks, their behavior in unstructured, real-world interactions often falls short. In another reported case, Gemini provided an insensitive response to a user distressed over a serious medical diagnosis. These examples illustrate how AI models, even those optimized for technical excellence, can fail to navigate nuanced human interactions responsibly. The implications of these failures extend beyond individual incidents. They point to systemic issues in how AI is developed and evaluated. Current testing frameworks prioritize metrics like accuracy and speed, but often neglect the ethical and psychological impact of AI-generated content. This focus on quantitative benchmarks creates perverse incentives for companies to optimize their models for specific tests rather than broader reliability. It's a problem that affects not just Google, but the entire AI industry. OpenAI, for instance, is reportedly struggling with similar challenges. While it has consistently delivered state-of-the-art models like GPT-4, reports suggest that the company is finding it increasingly difficult to achieve groundbreaking improvements. One of the key bottlenecks is the availability of high-quality training data. As AI models become more sophisticated, the need for diverse and reliable data grows, but the industry is approaching the limits of what's available. These constraints highlight the diminishing returns of current development strategies and the urgent need for innovation. Gemini X 1114's release comes at a time when the AI industry is grappling with these challenges. On one hand, Google's achievement represents a major victory, signaling that the company is still a leading force in AI innovation. After years of playing catch-up to OpenAI, this leaderboard win is a significant morale boost. On the other hand, it exposes the flaws in how we define and measure progress. If the focus remains on achieving higher scores in controlled tests, the industry risks neglecting the real-world applications and ethical considerations that truly matter. To move forward, the AI community must rethink its approach to evaluation. Instead of relying solely on abstract metrics, developers should prioritize tests that reflect the complexities and unpredictability of real-world interactions. Can an AI model handle high-stakes scenarios like providing accurate medical advice or resolving ethical dilemmas? Can it offer responses that are not only